Installing the new sink's drain doesn't align with the existing P-trap. So went to Home Depot and got a bunch of elbows and plastic pipes, and let's see how I can make this work. So it looks like I should be able to make it work with this combination, provided I cut this existing pipe. This has 3 pieces. This is the new thing that goes onto the drain pipe, and 2 angled elbows. So let me start by cutting this pipe. Okay, and here's a dry run install. I cut this pipe to probably like 2 inches or so, and then I use these 3 pieces and it seems to work. So I'm going to now glue them all together and get this sink going. And there's the finished product. So this glue is really strong. You might want to get it right before setting it. Otherwise, you'll have to throw this away.